Every breakthrough begins with a single, powerful question. What if this molecule could change your life?
But turning possibility into progress demands more than curiosity. It requires precision, integrity, and unwavering commitment to excellence. I didn't just want a career. I wanted to build something that matters, a place where science can truly serve people. That dream became Admerus Biosciences.
Admerus was born in Hyderabad, India, a promise of purpose, integrity, and compassion behind every molecule. Admerus Biosciences' 2-acre Hyderabad campus houses 50,000 square feet of cutting-edge labs, delivering full-scope drug development within a UNDP-certified green facility built for innovation, sustainability, and operational excellence. Our name reflects our purpose. At Admerus, ADME, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion, is more than a scientific concept. It's the foundation of our integrated services across drug discovery and development. The US in Admerus stands for our people, our partners, and our shared vision. Together, we are Admerus, delivering end-to-end ADME solutions that empower our partners to move forward, not just with data, but with confidence. We run first-in-human BAB and PK studies under full ICH GCP and global ethical compliance. With gender-segregated clinics, 24/7 ICU support and on-site ambulance access, we ensure safe, ethical, and efficient execution of diverse trials. Admerus operates a GLP-compliant bioanalytical laboratory, supporting global regulatory submissions, including IND, NDA, ANDA, and MAA filings. Equipped with advanced LC-MS/MS, the lab delivers fully validated, globally compliant data. Admerus offers end-to-end biometric services encompassing data management, biostatistics, PK analysis, CDISC compliant outputs, delivering high-quality regulator-ready submissions that enable faster approvals. We work across diverse drug delivery routes, from oral and sublingual to topical, transdermal, respiratory, and complex injectables, applying tailored scientific rigor to ensure precise dosing for every product. Our comprehensive IT infrastructure ensures data protection, reliable 3-level backup, and seamless operations, safeguarding critical information with utmost efficiency and effectiveness. Admerus has supported multiple global regulatory filings and has been successfully audited by the US FDA, ANVISA, and DCGI with 0 inspectional observations, demonstrating our commitment to quality and compliance. At Admerus, our strength lies in our people, all united by a single mission: to make meaningful science matter. We foster continuous learning and ethical leadership, believing that when our people grow, science advances and better outcomes follow.
At Admerus, we don't just do research. We do it responsibly, ethically, and with integrity, always with people in mind.
In the race to heal, speed matters, trust matters, but above all, lives matter. At Admerus Biosciences, we transform promising molecules into impactful therapies, driven by science, delivered with speed, and aligned with your success. Because at Admerus, quality isn't just a goal, it's our business plan.